Hi, I'm Eugene Sakai,
Hi, I'm Jose Arias.
and we're with Studio S Squared Architecture. Today we're going to be showing you one of our projects from 2015. It's in Los Altos, and it was built by Tyler Hummel of Hummel Custom Construction, who did a great job on this project. Jose, you did a lot of work on this project. What was your favorite memory or one of the most significant things that you thought was cool or interesting about this design?
In this design, I think it's a bit challenging always when you have a design that is placed in a corner lot, and more even this one because even in the back it's facing a park. So this design is it follows like a transitional style.
Yeah.
So we can see how the forms are related with the more traditional houses in the context, but at the same time all the details are more contemporary.
Yeah.
The interior spaces also feel very grand because of the vaulted ceilings that continue from the foyer to the back, and then the back wall is all open to the park with that connection to the backyard.
The kitchen is great, so it's definitely open concept with the kitchen being part of this grandest, biggest room of the house, you know, with the highest ceilings, right?
Yeah, and in the entire house and all the interior, there is a theme of these light colors and just calling the attention to the details with minimum work of tile, but then that makes to pop all those tiles elements. And then at the same time, with all these big windows that also work very well with the transitional style, then that with the light colors, it creates like very spaces with a lot of natural light.
What do you mean by transitional style? In your mind, what is that? Is that meaning the exterior is somewhat traditional and the interior is contemporary, or is it something more than that?
Is the transitional style in this house is in the exterior and also in the interior. We don't see like very contemporary elements, but at the same time, it's not traditional at all. From the exterior, the transitional style is a very good style to place one house in its context when the context is more traditional, because the forms relate more with the forms of the traditional houses. Forms
like the roof forms, and the massing, yes. Kind of the overall silhouette of the building, the exterior. Yeah,
and then at the same time, we are using more contemporary materials, like for example here the stucco.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
The ceiling with cedar wood. Even in the front, we are using more cedar around the entry, which also makes sense because it's
There's
more,
the cedar.
Yeah, it's more using the more expensive and better materials right there in the entry where you want to call more the attention. Very nice house.
It's a beautiful project, and good feedback, Jose. Thank you.